So last class I have given the solution of the first Roman number 1, x plus y is equal to 4. So this is the question number 1. Draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variables. So here 5 linear equations are given. You are asking to draw the graph of these linear equations. So the last class I already given the solution how to draw the graph of x plus y is equal to 4, these linear equations. Now I'll give you the solution of the second. X minus y is equal to 2. So that means how to draw the linear equations, how to draw the graph of x minus y is equal to 2. So the equation is x minus y is equal to 2. So question number 1, Roman number 2, x minus y is equal to 2. So in the question it is asking to draw the graph of this linear equation x minus y is equal to 2. We need to draw the graph of this. So let me start the solution. So to draw the graph of which equation? Graph of x minus y is equal to 2. To draw the graph of x minus y is equal to 2, at least three solutions of the equation means this x minus y is equal to 2. So at least 3 solutions of the equation are taken in a table as shown below. Okay, so we'll take at least 3 solutions of x minus y is equal to 2 in a table below. So in the table I'll show x value, y value in a small table. Okay, so for this you need to use a rough work. That is, the equation is x minus y is equal to 2. So first of all, we'll assume any value of x. Say for example x value is 0. Then let us see. When the x value is 0, the equation will be like that. X minus y, instead of x I replace 0. X minus y is equal to 2. And it will implies minus y is equal to 2. And finally y is equal to minus 2. Here y value is not 2, y value will be minus 2 because there is a minus. Both sides if you multiply by minus, then here you will get minus 2, here you will get plus y. So y value is 2. So hence when the x value is 0, you fill up here, when x value is 0, y value we get is minus 2. So similarly, again 2 more solutions we have to take. If the x value is, suppose if we take the x value is 1, then we can take a simple number like that. Then what will be the equation is x minus y is equal to 2, but x is replaced by 1. So what will be? It implies minus y is equal to 1 is transferred to right side, to 1 change to minus 1. It is positive 1, it will be negative 1. So finally what will get? Minus y is equal to 2 minus 1, you will get 1, but minus y value is 1, but y value will be -1. So what we got? When the x value is 1, we get the y value minus 1. So fill up it. When the x value is 1, y value will be minus 1. So similarly you take, let us take the y value 0 as a 0. So let us take, we can take any value of x or y. So if y is equal to 0, then what will happen? Then the equation will be x minus y equal to 2. This is the equation, but y is replaced by 0. It will implies x, 0 means nothing, you need not to write, x equal to 2. So what we got, when the y value is 0, x value is 2. So you, in place of y you fill up, in place of y you fill up 0. When the y value is 0, x value is 2. You fill up the x as a 2. So like this, 3 solutions or 3 points you should get at least. Now now let us take these 3 points. the points means the above solutions. 0 minus 2, second point is 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, and the third point is 2 0, 2 0. These 3 points or these solutions are, we should plot on the graph, are plotted on the graph paper B. You can give a name of the graph paper, it is up to you, graph paper B, and you should join them to get the what have to get to get the graph of whose graph of this equation, graph of the linear equation x minus y is equal to 2. But we have to get the graph from here. We need to draw the graph now. Since I have mentioned here these 3 points are plotted and join them to get the graph, so we really need to draw these 3 points, need to plot these 3 points on a graph paper, and we need to join, then we can get the graph of this. So I'll show you how to plot. So this is the graph paper. So I have to write here graph paper B, graph paper B, since I have used graph paper B in the explanation. First of all, you have to draw this y-axis and x-axis. This horizontal axis is called x-axis and this vertical axis is called y-axis. And wherever the x-axis and y-axis intersect, this is called origin. This indicates with O. X coordinate is 0, here y coordinate is also 0. And this is y, this is y dash, means negative side of the y-axis. This is x and this is x dash, this is negative side of the x-axis. So let me write a suitable unit here. This is 1 2 3 4 etc. and on the similarly on the negative side, on the x dash side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. And similarly on the y-axis you can give a different unit. This is 1 2, you should keep this is same distance, and here it will be 3, and so on. And similarly on the negative side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. So let me plot these 3 points. The first combination is 0 2, 0 minus 2. The points this and this are plotted on the graph paper B. So let me plot 0 minus 2 first. X coordinate is 0, y coordinate is minus 2. So let me plot. X coordinate is 0. So on the x-axis, where is the 0? Yes, on the x-axis, this is the 0. And y coordinate is minus 2. So on the y-axis, where is the minus 2? This is minus 2. So the combination will be here. Here these points. The first combination is 0 minus 2. On the x coordinate it is 0, y coordinate it is minus 2. So it falls here. So it will be coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is minus 2. Okay. And next point is 0 minus 2. Next point is 1 minus 1. X coordinate is 1, y coordinate is minus 1. 1 minus 1. So on the x-axis, x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is minus 1. So their combination will be here. This is the coordinates of what? X coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is minus 1. So this is the second point. The third point is the third point to be plotted is 2, 0. X coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 0. So third coordinate is 2, 0 on the x-axis, 2 and y value is 0. So it will be here. X coordinate is 2, y coordinate is not 1, not minus 1, it will be 0. So the combination will be here. X coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 0. So the combination will be here. So let me write this side. X coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 0. This is the third point. So now I have already plotted the first point, second point and third point are plotted on the graph paper B. Now need to join to get the graph of it. So let me join it with the help of scale. So all the 3 points are joined. All 3 points are joined. Three points are joined, and this line is called graph line of which equation? Of the equation x minus y is equal to 2. This is the graph of the equation x minus y is equal to 2. So in this way we can draw a graph of a linear equation such as x minus 2. Since I have already told you how to draw a graph, so this is question number 1, Roman number 3. The equation is y is equal to 3x. It is asking to draw the graph of this equation. I'll show you in short because I have already explained you how to draw a graph. Solution. To draw the graph of y is equal to 3x, at least 2 solutions are taken as shown in the table below. So like this, you need to make a table, and 2 solutions are taken. When the x value is 0, y value is 0. When the x value is 1, y value is 3. And this is shown on the graph. That means the equation is y is equal to 3x. The given equation is y is equal to 3x. If the x value is 0, then what will be the equation? The equation is y is equal to 3x. X is replaced by 0, and it implies y is equal to 0. That means 3 zeros are 0. So that means when the x value is 0, y value is also 0. So that is I fill up here. In this way I can get at least 2 solutions. Again, when the x is equal to 1, then the equation will be y is equal to 3x. Since I assume the x is equal to 1, so finally what you will get? It implies y is equal to 3 1 3. Y is equal to 3. So when the x value is 1, y is equal to y value is 3. That is I fill up here. When the x value is 1, y value is 3. Now I need to plot these 2 points. There is 0 0 and 1 3. That's why I have written a short explanation of the graph. Now the points 0 0 and 1 3 are plotted on the graph paper C. Graph paper C. So where is the graph paper C? Here is the graph paper C. So let me write here graph paper C. This is the graph paper C. and these 2 points are plotted. The first point is 0 0, x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 0, so it falls here, the points. And secondly, second point is 1 3. The second point is 1 3, x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 3, so the combination is here, 1 3 are plotted. And join them. I have joined with the help of scale, join them, and then I got the graph. This is the graph of which equation? Y is equal to 3x. So its short explanation is given here. The points 0 0 and 1 3 are plotted on the graph paper C, and join them to get the graph of y is equal to 3x. So this is a short explanation of the graph. You should give it. Okay, now question Roman number 3 is over. Roman number 4. The next question is, next equation is 3 is equal to 2x plus y. So this is also in the same way. This solution is to draw the graph of 3 is equal to x plus y. At least 2 solutions are taken as shown in the table below. So in the table below, I have, you already know how to get these points. I have shown in the graph also. Now the points 0 3 and 1 1, I mean these 2 points from the above table, these 2 points from this above table are plotted on the graph paper D. So the points 0 3, x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 3. So the combination will be here 0 3. This is the point 0 3 are plotted here. It's plotted here, and 1 1. Another point 1 1, x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 1. 1 1 is also plotted here, and then we need to join them, and we join them with the help of scale. I join them, and this is the graph of the equation. What equation? 3 is equal to 2x plus y. So this is the graph of the equation 3 is equal to 2x plus y. So we should give a short explanation of this graph. So here I'll repeat again. The points 0 3 and 1 1 from the above table are plotted on the graph paper D. I have shown already, and join them to get the graph of 3 is equal to 2x plus y. So this is the solution of Roman number 4.